है एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू प्लेसमेंट पल्स। अगर आप कैट की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो इस साल और अगर आपको लग रहा है कि शायद प्रिपरेशन उतनी अच्छी नहीं है और आप एक साल ड्रॉप भी नहीं लेना चाहते हो एंड इवन देन यू वांट अ टियर 1 एमबीए कॉलेज, देन स्नैप exam is for you, right? In this video, we'll be covering everything about SNAP 2026, the syllabus, the important dates, the top colleges with their real placement package, an honest comparison with CAT, and a complete month by month strategy to actually crack it, right? So consider this your one shot complete SNAP 2026 preparation guide. So let's get into it. Okay, so first let us understand what is SNAP by Symbiosis. So SNAP stands for Symbiosis National Aptitude Test and it is conducted by Symbiosis International and not by GMAC or other IIMs like CAT, right? Then we talk about the test type. It is fixed pattern CBT test. आपको पता होगा हमारे पुराने एनमेट के वीडियो के अंदर हमने बताया था कि एनमेट का एग्जाम अडेप्टिव टेस्ट होता है। इसके अंदर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। अडेप्टिव एग्जाम टेस्ट मतलब आपके जैसे आप क्वेश्चन सही करते जाओगे उसके अगला क्वेश्चन वुड बी अ बिट डिफिकल्ट। इफ यू mark your answer wrong then the next question would be a bit easier, so this is called adaptive exam test. But इस पैटर्न के अंदर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। स्नैप के अंदर इसमें सबके पास सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ डिफिकल्टी लेवल पेपर जाएगा एंड it would be a fixed pattern CBT. Right. Then it is also the shortest MBA entrance exam, just 60 minutes and 60 questions. And in 1 year, you'll get 3 attempts and best score counts across all sessions. This is similar to NMET. NMET में भी 3 attempts होते हैं and the best score counts across all the sessions. There's no sectional time limit. Now that's interesting, right? आप कोई भी section में आप कितना भी time लगा सकते हो, right? Access to strong tier 1 campuses like SIBM Pune, SCMHRD. About this, we will talk in the coming slides. And it's, yeah, straightforward syllabus driven test, no surprises in format, right? Okay. Now talking about important dates. Let's talk timing because Snap's calendar position is actually part of its appeal. Registration is expected to open around August 1st. This is the same time for NMET registration as well, and it will close mid-November. So August is coming in few days. So make sure to register it quickly. And the exam itself run across 3 sessions in December, expected to be December 6, 14, and 20. And here's a strategic point most people miss. Because you pay separately for each attempt, you don't have to commit to all 3 sessions upfront. A smarter approach is to register for the first session, see how it actually goes, and then decide whether a second or third attempt is worth the additional fees. Right now, results are expected in the second week of January, which conveniently lines up right before most symbiosis institutes begin their GE or PI or their VAT rounds. So there's very little dead time between finishing the exam and starting the next phase, right? So you have to be on your toes. Then, most important thing is that the colleges. You need to understand, right? कैट के अलावा और भी एग्जाम्स होते हैं जिसके थ्रू आप टियर 1 कॉलेजेस के अंदर जा सकते हो एंड स्नैप इज वन ऑफ दोस. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट कॉलेजेस. सो SIBM पुणे सिट्स राइट एट द टॉप with a cutoff hovering around 98 to 95, 98.5 percentile. Its average package is close to 27 lakh average, and its highest package touches an impressive 74.8 lakh last year. It's widely treated as the flagship symbiosis brand. Now SCMHRD Pune, this is comes in close around SIBM Pune only. Around 96 to 97 percentile you will get into SCMHRD. Average package is around 21 to 22 lakh per annum, and it's particularly well regarded if you are specifically interested in HR or business analytics role. Now here's an interesting one. This particular college, SIIB Pune. SIIB या फिर Symbiosis Institute of International Business, its domestic average sits around 13 to 14 LPA. But here's what most people won't tell you. If you specialize in their international business track and go to export route, SIIB के थ्रू आप इंटरनेशनल पैकेजेस भी हासिल कर सकते हो, राइट? एंड इट वुड बी हायर देन देयर domestic numbers, sometimes even rivaling the SIBM Pune average packages. So if global roles genuinely interest you, अगर आपको international roles में जाना है, then SIIB deserves a much closer look than its cutoff alone suggests. ठीक है. Now we talk about SIBM Bangalore. The cutoff is 92 percentile. Then the package is 13.5 lakh average, right? and then it can be considered as a backup option. If your first attempt doesn't hit the top tier cutoffs, you can still go ahead and secure your seat in SIBM Bangalore. It's a safe bet. Then finally, SIDTM Pune. The cutoff is 84 to 85 percentile. Average is also around 13 lakh. And yeah, so the real takeaway here is don't just chase the highest cutoff. Match the college to the career track you actually want. Okay, now let's understand the 2026 एग्जाम पैटर्न. ठीक है, सिमिलर लाइक एनमेट और कैट, यहाँ पे भी आपको इंग्लिश, एल आर और क्वांट्स वगैरह देखने को मिलेगा. बट देयर विल बी सम डिफरेंसेस इन द syllabus that we'll be talking about further slides. But let's get into the number of questions. Number of questions is around 60. 15, 25, 20. Right? There's no sectional timing, I'm telling you again. So that's a good thing. Now, here's the part that actually matters strategically, the marking scheme. You get plus 1 if you mark the answer right, and minus 0.25 for every wrong one. So let's do some quick math here, because this generally changes how you should attempt the paper. So if you can eliminate even two of the four options on a question, आपके पास फिर भी 50-50 chances है, and mathematically that's still worth attempting because your expected gain outweighs the expected loss. But अगर आपको चारों options में से कुछ भी सही नहीं लग रहा है, कुछ भी सही नहीं गलत नहीं लग रहा है, and you are confused, then I'll suggest कि आप क्वेश्चन को आगे ना करें. And because there's negative marking, and that's a very different mentality from NMAT where there is zero negative marking, and guessing is always worth it. In Snap, your attempt strategy needs to be genuinely confidence based decision, question by question. तो आप तुक्का मार नहीं सकते हो. तुक्का तभी मार सकते हो जब आपको दो ऑप्शंस आप एलिमिनेट कर दो और दो ऑप्शन में से आपको कंफ्यूजन हो. ठीक है, ओके. स्नैप इज नॉट अडेप्टिव, फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट. जिसने भी हमारा एनमेट वाला वीडियो देखा होगा वो अडेप्टिव, बट स्नैप इज नॉट अडेप्टिव. सो एवरी कैंडिडेट गेट्स अ सिमिलरली वेटेड पेपर. सो योर मॉक टेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस इज अ मच मोर रिलायबल प्रेडिक्टर of your actual score compared to an adaptive exam like NMAT. ठीक है. Okay, before moving any further, Placement Pulse is conducting a mock GD session on 26th of July 2026 on Sunday. The timing would be around 8 to 9 p.m. and there are very limited seats available. What you will get here is that two panel members who will be giving individual feedback, and these two panel members are experienced professionals from top organizations who have also done MBA from top colleges, right? And one more thing, whoever performs the best will get free one-on-one mock interview from Placement Pulse. Yeah, so don't skip this opportunity. Enroll now. मैंने registration link description में डाल दिया है. You can go check that out and fill that. And yeah, let's move forward. Okay, now come another important section, that is Snap syllabus. Right? कैट और एनमेट की तरह इसमें भी तीन सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, इंग्लिश, एलआर एंड क्वांट्स डीआई. We'll talk about each of these subjects in detail in coming slides. But general English, which oddly enough has not featured reading comprehension passages in the last couple of years, as you can see here, कैट एंड मेट के अंदर सबसे ज़्यादा चांसेस होती है कि रीडिंग कॉम्प्रहेंशन आता है, एंड इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड एफर्ट. But in Snap, we have seen a pattern that reading comprehension has not been a part of the exam for a long time. So if you are coming from a CAT prep background where RC dominates your study time, that instinct doesn't fully transfer here. Then there is analytical and logical reasoning, the single biggest section by question count. And finally, the quant, data interpretation and data sufficiency, which leans much more towards quick arithmetic and heavy data crunching. So let's go section by section now. Now, in general English, one topic alone, fill in the blanks, makes up to 9 of the 15 marks in the last year exam. So that's 60% of this entire section riding on a single skills. Compare that to idioms or passive voice, which are worth just 1 mark. ठीक है, पैसिव वॉइस जो दूसरे एग्जाम्स में नहीं आता, but still in this exam passive voice was there. So yeah, but it was just one or two questions. So fill in the blanks is the major chunk, that is around 9 out of the 15 questions. So here's the practical move. If you are short on time, skip trying to memorize obscure idioms and figures of speech, and instead drill contextual vocabulary and sentence completion practical daily. ठीक है, ग्रामर जितनी अच्छे से हो सके उतनी अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करो. Practice more and more fill in the blanks questions. These are very easy to moderate questions in the exam. So try to give as many practice questions as possible, especially fill in the blanks, and try to memorize vocabulary and practice grammar as well. Now coming to the analytical and LR syllabus. So this is Snap's biggest section. This is around worth 25 of the 60 total marks. More than 40% of your entire score comes from here. And yet, in my experience, most CAT background aspirants under prepare for this particular sections, because CAT's DILR is a calculation heavy, and they assume Snap's reasoning section will also look similar. It doesn't actually. So Snap's reasoning section is much closer to a classic aptitude test style. If you see here, right, series, course of action, critical reasoning, blood relations, calendars and clocks, statement assumption, puzzle, syllogism, it's not a typical cat level syllabus. It's more towards सी मैट वगैरह, आपने अगर नाम सुना हो या फिर एन मैट, उसमें भी इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, राइट? सो honestly, series, blood relations, calendar, clocks, these are very easier as compared to any other difficult LR questions. So these are all learnable and formula driven topics. So series alone carries the highest individual weight at 4 marks. But the real opportunity here is breadth. Almost everything else is evenly worth 1 or 2 marks. So broad, steady practice, routine beats deep specialization in any single topic. एक टॉपिक उठा के नहीं पढ़ना है. Try to cover few questions of each of these sections. सो एक ही टॉपिक में से नहीं आए सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस, तो ट्राई टू प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम ईच ऑफ दिस टॉपिक एंड डोंट फोकस टू मच ऑन वन सिंगल टॉपिक, बिकॉज अगेन द चांसेस आर दैट very few questions can come from particular topic, and it's basically easy also logical reasoning here in the snap as compared to cat or any other exam. Now the section 3 is quant DI, data sufficiency. If data interpretation is the section that scares you in other exams, here's some good news. Snap barely touches it, as you can see. Snap में ज़्यादातर arithmetic के questions आते हैं. You will typically just see a DI table question compared to the 8 question DI blocks you would see in something like NMAT or CAT. Instead, this section is dominated by fast formula-based arithmetic, as I told you. So 6 topics like PNC, probability, sequence and series, profit and loss, numbers, time and work are all tied at 2 marks each, and together they form the real core of these sections. Master those 6 and you have covered the majority of the marks here. Okay, before going forward, if you are looking for mock interview practice, CV curation, GD sessions with corporate experts, you can connect with Placement Pulse. You can contact us from this given number. नाउ अनदर क्वेश्चन, अगर आप कैट की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो तो क्या आप स्नैप की भी कर सकते हो? बिकॉज क्या सिलेबस इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है, और शुड यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग फॉर स्नैप? देन द आंसर इज नो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, the common difference is that the conducting bodies are different, and attempts are here are up to 3, where आपने जिस अटेम्प्ट में सबसे ज्यादा स्कोर किया होगा दैट वुड बी द काउंटेड वन. एंड कैट में एक बार ही अटेम्प्ट मिलता है. ड्यूरेशन, दैट्स समथिंग रियली अमेजिंग, इज जस्ट 60 मिनट्स एग्जाम एज कम्पेयर टू कैट विच इज 120 मिनट्स. अगेन यहाँ पे कोई सेक्शनल टाइमिंग नहीं है, और यहाँ पे अडेप्टिव नहीं, दोनों अडेप्टिव नहीं है, दोनों फिक्स्ड पैटर्न के हैं. नेगेटिव मार्किंग -0.25 and here is -1. Question types is MCQ only. Here MCQ plus type in the answer. Then total questions 60, and in CAT 66 approx. Best for these colleges, and CAT is best for, as we know, IIMs. CAT के अंदर जो क्वांट्स आती है लगभग वही स्नैप में भी आती है, बट इंग्लिश और LR के लिए आपको थोड़ा एफर्ट मारना पड़ेगा, थोड़े स्पेसिफिक मॉक टेस्ट देने पड़ेंगे फॉर स्नैप. ओके, now the another important thing, snap 2025 actual exam analysis. So as we have already told you, fill in the blanks lead the general English department with around 9 questions. So here you can make a strategic decision, and a smart decision is that you should focus more on grammar and vocabulary, given that the last year exam pattern says so. Fill in the blanks में no question आ रहे, तो you can devote a good amount of time in fill in the blanks, grammar and all. Idiom, vocabulary, parts of speech, passive voice, that's another surprise which you don't see in usually other exams, is passive voice. उसमें से भी एक क्वेश्चन आया, but as you can see just 15 क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं, उनमें से 9 क्वेश्चन fill in the blanks में से आ रहे हैं. So you know where you have to devote your time, right? So time is less. In December we have the exam, and if you are preparing for snap from now, so you know which particular topic you need to focus on. ठीक है. Now talking about analytical and LR, as you can see इतना ज़्यादा deviation नहीं है. चार क्वेश्चन सीरीज में से है, बाकी सब में से दो दो एक एक क्वेश्चन तो आ ही रहे हैं. सो यू शुड नॉट बी फोकसिंग ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. एनालिटिकल एंड लॉजिकल रीजनिंग काफी मॉडरेट लेवल का आता है, तो यू शुड नॉट बी मिसिंग आउट ऑन एनी ऑफ द टॉपिक. एंड सिंस इट्स द section with highest number of question and highest percentage as well, so try to focus more on LR. And finally quants, it's also similar to cat only, but here arithmetic is very heavy. So try to focus more on increasing your efficiency in calculations. 60 questions, 60 minutes, so particularly you can get 1 minute per question. So you need to work on your speed. LR or English are not very much time consuming, but arithmetic can be very much time consuming, so focus on calculating faster. Okay, now again, where should you focus? So pulling this all together, where should your limited prep hours actually go? So start with the fill in the blanks, worth 9 marks alone. Then series your second high, your single highest value reasoning topic. After that, treat the 6 2 mark reasoning topics that we talked about here, राइट. इनके ऊपर थोड़ा फोकस करना है. एंड देन क्वांट्स में पी एंड सी, प्रोबेबिलिटी, सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज, टीएसडी, प्रॉफिट लॉस, नंबर्स, टाइम एंड वर्क. ठीक है. एंड रिमेंबर व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड ऑन द मार्किंग स्कीम स्लाइड. बिकॉज ऑफ द नेगेटिव मार्किंग, दिस प्रायोरिटी लिस्ट नीड्स अ कॉन्फिडेंस फिल्टर टू. ठीक है. यहाँ पे केवल आप अपने गैस वर्क से नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज नेगेटिव मार्किंग इज देयर. एंड एक एक परसेंटाइल के अंदर आपकी कॉलेजेस, किसी आपके फेवरेबल कॉलेज में जाने की चांसेस मैटर करती है. ठीक है. अगर आपने एक परसेंटाइल से पीछे रहेगा, यू माइट नॉट गेट द कॉल फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज दैट यू आर टारगेटिंग. सो गेटिंग ऑल ऑफ these topics conceptually correct is only half the job. The other half is knowing in the exam itself which of these questions you are actually confident enough to attempt. So confidence is the key here. Okay, now another thing, strategy for the coming months. What should you do? Now we are in July. Almost July is over. August will be starting. Your registration will be starting from August, and exam would be from December 6th. So what should your strategy be? So phase one would be, you should be understanding the, first of all, syllabus of the exam. Core, you should build the foundation, core concepts across English, reasoning, and quant, plus a diagnostic mock to know your starting point. This mock should not be your, you should not be judging that mock, right? You should just be giving it to understand where you stand there, right? How much marks are you bringing out of the 60 marks, right? And that particular mock should be your diagnostic way of understanding where you lie there. ठीक है. तो कोई भी मॉक वगैरह उठा के दो, या फिर प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर दो, एंड जस्ट विदाउट एनी प्रिपरेशन गो इन देयर, सी हाउ मेनी मार्क्स यू आर गेटिंग, व्हाट्स वेयर यू आर हैविंग मोस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम इन अलोकेटिंग टाइम. ठीक है. वो एक बार करना. फिर फेज टू में आपकी सेक्शनल मास्टरी की बात आएगी. ठीक है. Here is a subtle but important point. Because snap mocks only take an hour, you can realistically fit 2 or even 3 sectional practice sessions into time. It would take you to do a single cat mock. ठीक है. कैट मॉक में कितना टाइम लगा, उससे काफी कम टाइम लगता है एक स्नैप मॉक में, बिकॉज 60 मिनट्स का एग्जाम होता है, राइट. सो यू कैन फिट इन 1 मॉक पर डे फ्रॉम अगस्त टू सितंबर. जब आपकी प्रिपरेशन थोड़ी सी अच्छी हो गई हो, जब आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ आ रहा हो, तो यू कैन स्टार्ट पुटिंग those mocks in your preparation. ठीक है. वीक में भी कुछ 3 4 मॉक्स दे सकते हो. व्हाट्स इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू हियर इज हाउ यू आर एनालाइजिंग योर मॉक्स. अगर आपका मॉक टेस्ट 1 घंटे का है, तो यू शुड बी डेफिनेटली गिविंग वन अनदर एडिशनल 1 hour फॉर एनालिसिस. राइट डाउन द पॉइंट्स दैट यू मिस्ड इन द मॉक. कोई क्वेश्चन अगर आपको ट्रिकी लगा, तो राइट नोट इट डाउन, स्टार्ट रिवाइजिंग दोज क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है. तो मॉक्स प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन एनी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम, and snap is one of those exams where definitely you can give good amount of mocks given the time limit. ठीक है. phase 3 would be September through November. Now you will be increasing the frequency of your mocks, weekly full mocks under 60 minutes conditions, and deep error analysis that I told you. So your frequency of mocks should be increasing more and more. And then finally November December, there your situation will be that you have done revision. Now you have the understanding where you lie, because you have given n number of mocks. So start putting more and more focus on revising those analysis, those questions that you were not able to attend, or that you were having problem in the previous mocks, right? Revise formulas, shortcuts, error logs, and again book earliest of 3 test dates and plan retakes. Okay, so yeah, that's the complete snap 2026 picture. The dates, the syllabus, the real placement numbers, and honest comparison with cat, and a month by month plan to actually execute on. If this helped you see Snap in a new light, hit like, subscribe to Placement Pulse, and share this with anyone hedging their MBA options this year. See you in the next one. Until then, keep preparing and keep those options open. Thank you so much.